mode before. It used to be full screen, and all of a sudden it's not anymore. And my icons are all big too. It looks all messed up.
Okay, so this time we will totally fix it up. No need to worry about that.
It just has a loading bar, and it's not moving forward. It just has a loading bar. It's not. It just keeps loading the loading bar.
Yes, ma'am. Now, can you see all the icons?
No, it's a black screen.
Yeah, it will take some time.
Hold on.
Yes, because last year the services was not completed. That's the reason the problem is still there.
Now my screen looks messed up.
Now, and what can you see on the screen?
It says welcome, and it says Windows has blocked some startup programs.
Because the services was not completed. Now, what are the options you have, ma'am, on the screen?
It just has a message box. Hello, stupid user. I'm the worst computer ever. You have a bad virus. Ma ha ha ha. And now another window is popping up with another program.
Okay. Okay. Let's try to open your internet. Open up your internet.
Okay. My computer's like totally frozen. Oh, there's a bunch of message boxes saying, it says, I hate you, and all the message boxes are coming up again.
Close it. Close it. Now, can you tell me on the desktop screen you have an icon? Have a look on among the icons you can see TeamViewer.
Yeah, I see it.
Can you open? Yes. Simply open TeamViewer once. Simply click on that twice and open it up.
Okay, hold on. My computer's all locked up. The whole screen, like, it says it's not responding, and it has the cursor.
What can you see, man?
It says the app isn't monitoring your PC because the app's something. I said Windows Explorer is not responding.
Yeah, close Internet Explorer.
I said Windows Explorer, now my whole desktop disappeared.
Now, can you see your desktop screen?
No, my icons are gone and all these errors are popping up. It's saying that weird thing about what happened on May 26, 2009, and then it's now saying this application requires .NET Framework in order to run.
Close it.
Now, disk cleanup popped up.
And what it says?
Like, choose what files to clean up. Now it says the application is not responding. End process. Oh my gosh, my computer's worse.
Ma'am, do one thing. Just simply click on TeamViewer twice, so that we can connect your computer with us, and just we will fix all the problems of your computer this way. Alright?
Okay, hold on. Where's TeamViewer?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, it's opened. It says, not ready. Please check your connection.
Okay. Check your internet connection. Is it working?
The bottom, I see the two little computers, and it says access local only.
Okay. Do one thing. Try to open your home page, your internet page.
It says AVG security is found on your computer. It might be blocking TeamViewer's access to the internet. And now it says Windows cannot install important updates.
close that message and open your internet connection.
Hold on. TeamViewer is trying to connect again. Now since Windows Defender is turned off. Now WordPad just opened. My computer's a wreck. What happened to it? It says now Windows WordPad application is not responding.
Man, simply open your internet.
Okay.
Internet page.
Alright. I just clicked on Internet Explorer. And it has that message again about, by any chance, you know what happened on May 26, 2009.
Close that message.
I don't know why it keeps talking about May 26, 2009, but nothing special that I know of happened that day.
We'll check it out, man.
Do you know what happened that day? Because it keeps telling me that.
We will diagnose your computer and we will check it out. Like what exactly is wrong with your PC, and we will fix it up.
All these error messages keep popping up, and I keep clicking on them to try to get them to close.
Try to open your internet with the help of Google Chrome.
Okay.
Or any other browser.
Okay, Google Chrome. Okay, let me try Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Because TeamViewer keeps saying AVG might be blocking the access to the internet. My TeamViewer is saying that.
Close that. Close it. Close your TeamViewer.
Okay. My stupid error messages. This is getting so annoying. Chrome's opening though. Internet Explorer apparently actually ended up opening too. Google Chrome says the web page is not available.
Okay, so check your internet connection map. Try to connect your internet.
It says access local only. Like network access local only.
Alright. So
I completely have lost internet connection. Even in regular mode.
Okay, now do one thing. Once again, can you tell me what kind of internet connection you have? Wi-Fi or
I think it might be through an Ethernet cable.
internet cable? Okay, and you have modem or router?
Yeah. And it's not that because I do also have Wi-Fi, and my other devices are connecting and going online just fine. It's just my computer that's not going online. My other Wi-Fi devices are working fine on our Wi-Fi.
Okay, so what you can do, you can restart your computer and try to connect your internet again.
Okay. It's restarting, I think. You guys really did something bad to my computer. It's never like this. My internet always worked, and all of a sudden I can't connect anymore.
Ma'am, last day the work was not completed.
I know, but how come I can't get back online to finish it?
Between that, like your internet, due to some internet trouble, you lost the connection with your computer. That's the reason it's happening to your computer right now.
Well, my computer is just I hit restart and all these errors still keep popping up and it's not restarting.
With the help of your power, you can restart.
Hold on, now it's trying. Now it's going, I think. Hold on. It's restarting. It says logging off. Now it says shutting down. What has happened to my computer?
Some software are not corrected, ma'am. We need to simply install it.
What?
It will be working fine.
What happened?
Some software of your computer is not corrupted.
How do I fix that?
We will fix it up, ma'am.
How if you can't connect to it?
Sorry?
If you can't connect to my computer, how are you going to fix it?
Like, we will, when your computer is connected with internet, we can connect your computer with us.
Like my internet's not working at all on my computer, but if I go on my other devices, the internet works fine and it's connected and it works. Okay, it's restarting. It's got the loading bar. Now the loading bar is like frozen. Oh, there it goes. It's doing something now. It's like I can't get the computer to go online.
Sorry?
It's like I can't get this computer to go online at all.
We'll fix the problem, ma'am. No need to worry. Just be patient. Be patient. Have patience, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, it's on the desktop again. It says it blocked startup programs.
Sorry, what can you see?
Okay, now another window is popping up on the screen right now.
What? Good?
Like, it's popping up another message. It's popping up messages, and then all of a sudden another like whole window is popping up, and it says Windows Update. Download and install updates for your computer. Total 1 update, 4.1 megabytes.
Okay, and what are the options are there?
To install.
Click on that, get installed.
Alright, well my screen just like, it's like weird, it's like it's like blackish, it's like faded out. Oh, it's, Windows needs your permission to continue. System configuration utility.
Yes, click on continue.
Okay. You said on the update you want me to hit install? Right?
Like, what can you see right now?
Hold on.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yes, tell me what can you see.
It says downloading 1 update.
Okay, now good.
Hold on. Hold on. It's not wanting to open, and there's a whole bunch of windows on my screen all of a sudden. Now it's going to a Microsoft link. Go.microsoft.com slash FW link slash link ID 121786. And the web page is not available.
Sorry?
It says the web page is not available.
Alright, hold on. Do one thing, man. Look at your keyboard and press the Windows key with the letter R.
Okay. It's on run now.
And type in there again MS config.
Okay. It hit okay. Okay, it's there. Windows update says some updates were not installed. Failed one update. And now another. Oh, okay, so that system configuration utility continue. There's probably about 10 things open. I'm waiting for that thing to pop up. Okay, it popped up. The system configuration popped up.
Just hold on, man.
Yes. It says it's on selective startup. Didn't we put that on normal startup?
Yes. Click on normal startup.
Okay, it's on there.
And can you see?
Safe boot is still selected on the boot tab. I think it's still in safe mode.
Ma'am, you need to actually uncheck that option.
I did. It didn't save. Do you want me to click OK?
Apply first, click on apply.
Okay, I'm done. I clicked apply and the mouse is like showing it's like frozen and it shows the little thing. Alright, now hit OK. And it wants to restart again. Do you want me to hit restart?
Yeah. Hold on, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, I'll hit restart. Was still checked. Like it didn't keep the change.
You haven't checked, unchecked.
I did. I unchecked it. I did it again. I unchecked it again to see if it seems like last time when I did it, it didn't keep the change. But it wasn't regular though. I could tell the desktop was back. It was bigger, but it still looked a little messed up, and the wallpaper was back. It didn't say safe mode, but I still couldn't get online, and safe boot was still checked. And the system configuration. It's trying to boot up again. Okay, hold on. It's coming back on. Okay, it's back on the desktop again.
Now try to connect your internet.
Alright. I clicked on the Internet Explorer. Now it says it needs a permission to continue for Internet Explorer. Should I hit continue? It wants to continue. It says it needs permission to continue.
Yes, click on continue.
Okay, I just did. Hold on, it's like still in this weird, it's kind of blackish. It's like now all of a sudden disk cleanup just popped up and Notepad just popped up. All that same stuff that usually pops up on startup is popping up again. I says, you're stupid, I hate you. Windows Update popped up saying there's 102 updates.
Close it, man.
Close it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I just X'd out of it. Now the thing for Windows Internet Explorer, it says Service Pack is not supported.
Okay.
It has a Get Update button or Cancel.
Yes.
Cancel?
Yeah.
Okay. It says Windows Defender's turned off, and there's about 20 messages on the screen right now.
And try to open your viewer. Have it click among the icons. Make it twice, click on viewer.
Click on what?
Turn it up. On viewer. Click on viewer.
Oh, TeamViewer. Okay.
On to the left.
Okay, hold on. I'm trying. There's so many messages on the screen right now. They're everywhere. Okay, I clicked on TeamViewer. Now, Windows Defender is turned off, popped up, and Disk Cleanup popped up, and all these messages saying I hate you popped up. Seems like it's not fixed. And it says you are stupid. And then, okay, it says to check my connection again. TeamViewer is not connecting. It says that AVG might be blocking TeamViewer to access the internet.
AVG.
Yeah. It says AVG Internet security has been found on this computer. The software may be blocking TeamViewer's access to the internet. Please check AVG Internet security settings and make sure TeamViewer is allowed to access the internet.
Can you open your Google Chrome?
What?
Open your Google.
Okay, let me try to open. Okay, let me open Google. Hold on. Well, Internet Explorer opened this time and didn't give me that weird message.
Because your Internet Explorer is corrupted.
It's corrupted. Internet Explorer cannot display the web page.
Oh. Click on Google Chrome.
Click on what?
Google Chrome.
Okay. I just clicked on Google Chrome. Hold on, it's still loading. Like, what happened to my computer? Why is it not going online anymore? How are you going to help me fix it if I can't get my computer online? Should I take it to a repair shop?
Can you check on the right-hand side corner, network access, on the right-hand bottom corner?
Yeah, hold on. Now, I see the internet icon. It shows that the computer doesn't have the X on it. When I point on it, it says network access local only.
Sorry, what is this?
It says network access local only.
Oh, it means that you have some network switching internet problem.
How do I fix it? Because all my other devices are going on the internet just fine. It's just my computer won't go on it. It's an issue with my computer. It's not the network. Because my phone on Wi-Fi and so is my iPad. It works fine. My iPad's been acting weird though. It's been like restarting on me just randomly.
Have you clicked on Google Chrome?
Yeah, and it says the web page is not available.
Alright.
And I just feel like something's going on. I mean, my other devices on Wi-Fi work. I noticed my iPad was acting weird. My apps kept crashing on me, and also my iPad kept restarting.
Okay, I'm telling you. Do one thing, ma'am. Once again, look at your keyboard and press the full square key with the lateral R.
Okay. The run thing came up again.
Try it there. CMD.
CMD, okay. Enter?
Like Canada? Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's popped up. What do I type?
Type it there. Feel like it there.
Type what?
Be like me. Feel like it.
Wait, type B?
When no B, be like Papa,
Okay.
and I like ice cream.
Okay.
When N like Nancy,
Okay.
when G like grandmother,
Okay.
when
Now what?
now Google.com. GOO.
Do I put a space?
Sorry?
Do I put a space in between both of the words?
Yes.
So, ping google.com.
Yes. After ping Google.com, then hit enter button.
It says ping is not recognized as an internal or external command. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here, ma'am.
Yeah, it says ping is not recognized as an internal or external command.
Okay. Like, tell me, who is your international provider, right?
I think I have Comcast.
So after Bing, you can type Comcast.com.
It's doing something. It's doing something now. The line is blinking. It says ping request could not find Comcast.com. Please check the name and try again.
Have you typed Comcast?
Yeah. Yes, I typed it correctly.
Okay. Just hold on. And have you typed Bing space? Just hold on. Now do one thing, man.
Yeah.
This time type in here Bing space www.google.com.
Okay. It's doing something. The line's blinking again. Hold on. It's doing something. It says ping request could not find host www.google.com. Please check the name and try again.
Oh, it means that there is something wrong with your internet connection.
Well, how come all my other devices can connect fine? Just not my computer.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Alright.
It's my computer.
Just once again, press the square key with the letter R.
Got it. It's got run.
And yes, now open up MS Config once again.
Okay. Oh, hold on. I think I typed it wrong. Got it. There, it popped up that time. I think. It wants to needs permission to continue, so I'll hit continue.
Yes.
Okay, waiting for it to pop up. There it is. Okay, it's on. And again, it's on selective startup, and I put normal, and it went back on selective.
Okay, just hold on. I'll tell you what you need to do.
It keeps reverting back the settings.
And you're running Windows operating system in your computer.
What?
What kind of operating system you're running right now?
I think it might be Windows Vista. How do I check to make sure?
Okay, it's Windows Vista.
I think.
Okay, and on the system configuration page, what can you see?
Startup selection.
The normal startup is selected.
No, it went back to selective startup after I changed it to normal. It went back.
Alright, now click on normal startup.
Okay, I did.
Apply. Then click on apply.
Okay.
Now
It's
what can you see?
it's like all the mouse is frozen. It's got that little like hourglass thing.
Yeah.
Okay, now hit OK.
Yes.
Okay, now it wants to restart.
No, don't restart it. Once again, press the Windows key with the letter R and pull up the MS like system configuration box once again.
Okay.
Now, what can you see on the system configuration box?
Hold on, I had it continue. Hold on. Okay, it's coming up. Hold on, it's loading. It's on normal startup.
Okay, and then click on boot.
Alright, its safe boot is checked. Should I uncheck it?
Yes, ma'am. Uncheck it.
And hit apply?
And okay. No. Can you see time? There is an option like time out.
Yeah.
30 seconds. Can you tell me just below time out? Can you tell me the number of seconds?
It says 15. It says 15.
Okay, so make it 30.
30, okay. I just did.
And just check all the options are unchecked in that box.
Everything is unchecked.
Okay, now click on apply.
Alright.
Then click on OK.
Now it restart?
Yes.
Okay. It's restarting. This computer's really messed up, huh?
Yeah.
Is this the worst computer you've ever seen?
Sorry, ma'am?
Is this the worst computer you've ever seen?
I could not understand.
Is this the worst computer you've ever worked on?
No, ma'am. We have worked on several like computers which very badly infected with the virus.
It says the following programs are still running, but apparently it ended up restarting anyways, so it says shutting down.
Do one thing, ma'am. Ma'am, you can do one thing. Can you see at your keyboard? Like, okay, don't do anything. Just restart.
Okay, yeah, it's shutting down, it says.
And I believe that you are the main user of the computer, right?
Yes. I'm the main person of this computer. It still says shutting down.
Okay. And I think you are more than 18.
Yeah.
Alright. Because we are only authorized to talk with people who is over than 18.
I know. It's restarting. Okay, it's restarting now.
Okay, ma'am.
It's restarting. It's being really, really slow. If this doesn't work, do I have to have a repair shop fix it? Because if you can't get internet to work to remote access, then how are you gonna be able to fix it?
Like, can you see all the icons? Can you try
No,
to
it's still booting up. It's still booting up, sir.
Okay, so this time we can check, and if it will not possible, you have Comcast toll-free number.
What?
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, you have Comcast connection on your computer, am I right?
No, my computer does not have internet.
No. I want to tell you, you have internet connection with Comcast.net.
Yeah.
Like your internet service provider is Comcast.
Yeah,
Right?
I'm pretty sure.
Yes. So, if this time the connection we could not able, if we will not able to connect your internet, you can call up to your Comcast service center number, like toll-free number. I will tell you Comcast toll-free number. Alright?
Well, I can just call. I can call Comcast and look it up and ask them. I have internet on my phone to look up their phone number.
Yes, you can, ma'am. So, this time let's try. If it will be possible, we can.
A bunch of things keep a bunch of things keep popping up, but I'm pretty sure it's my computer, not Comcast. Because how come my phone and iPad could be on the Wi-Fi just fine, and so is my mom's computer?
Your mom also has a computer.
Yeah, and she's able to get online. I saw her on the internet today. I feel like it's an issue with my computer. I don't think it's Comcast.
And she also could not able to access her internet.
No, she was able to get online.
Oh. Okay, right now can you see all those icons?
Yeah, and a bunch of things popping up again. 102 updates pops up.
Close it.
Okay.
Close all the things and just try to go online.
Alright. There's like probably 20 message boxes. I'm gonna try, can I try Firefox this time?
Yes, you can.
Because I haven't tried Firefox.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Let me try to go to google.com. Okay, it says it's connecting. I don't think it's working, it just says connecting.
Yeah, it will take some time.
Okay. Server not found. It says server not found.
It means that when you had some trouble from Comcast, you can call up to your Comcast.
Well, how come my mom's able to access the internet on her computer, but I'm the only one that can't?
Yes, because there is some kind of remote host problem on your computer.
How do we fix that?
That problem. You can call up to your toll-free number, Comcast toll-free number, and you need to follow their instructions, their representative instructions, and they will fix up the
Alright, so you want me to talk to Comcast and then you to call me later?
You can call them if you want. You can call them right now. And after that, I'll call you. Alright?
Alright, when are you gonna call back?
Sorry?
When are you gonna call back?
When I will call you back?
Yeah.
When should I call you back, man?
Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing something tonight. I say call back in maybe like 2 hours. Is that alright with you?
Okay, man. So I'll call back. I'll call back after 2 hours. And man, can you follow to your Comcast direction and can you try to fix the problem?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix the internet.
Yes. So just follow the Comcast.
Alright.
Try to fix it up. Alright?
Alright, I'm gonna do that.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, I'll
Just call back in 2 hours. I'll call Comcast right now.
definitely.
Alright.
Definitely. I'll call you.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Guys, it's not connected on my computer because I pushed the Wi-Fi switch. I don't want them on my computer anymore. I'm just wasting their time now. So next time they call, I'm going to tell them, I call Comcast, they say my internet's fine, and I'm going to tell them I called a repair shop and told them about this, and they said you were a scam, and that'll be it. So, sorry for this, like, 3-hour video. It's crazy. It's just a long-going story. I probably wasted several hours of their time already. I'm just doing this for the fun of it. So, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back when he calls back. Bye. Hi, this is Julia, and actually, I'm not on the phone with them currently. I thought of a plan. So they told me to call Comcast, right? Well, I'm going to pretend I did, obviously. They're going to be calling back very shortly, probably within a half hour. So I'm going to go on the Windows Vista virtual machine right now. Of course, no internet. And I'm going to delete the registries and regedit, and then have the computer crash. Then I'm going to tell them I called Comcast. They had me do a bunch of stuff. And I restarted and my computer crashed. And so I called the repair shop because I just got really sick of it and impatient, and I just needed a computer because there was nothing they could do because they can't remote into it if the computer's crashed. And they said that you guys are a scam. And then basically they're probably going to get mad. They're probably going to say they're not a scam, or they're just going to hang up the phone and never call back again. I guess we're going to find out what happens, but in this video I'm going to show you me crashing the VM. They may call in the middle of this video, and if they do, I will answer. I will answer the phone if they do. I'm going to crash this VM and render it useless. Because to be honest, I'd rather crash it before I delete it from my computer, because, yeah, this computer is just messed up. I just want to crash it. And purposely the internet was not connected, and I'm still not going to connect it because of their TeamViewer thing. I purposely disconnected my computer from the internet with the wireless button, so basically it's no longer online. So now I'm going to crash the VM with regedit. So, because it's kind of fun actually just deleting registries. My dad was doing that to crash his system because he wanted to reinstall it. He wanted to make sure the virus wasn't going to interfere. So he crashed the system and then ran diskpart and wiped the whole hard drive, which I'm not going to do that part. I'm just going to go and delete the registries. And tell them what it says, and tell them I just needed to call a computer guy because I know there's nothing you can do now that you can't remote into the computer anymore. And they said that you guys are a scam. So I can't believe I trusted you guys, and goodbye. See, I've blocked even some startup programs. So I'm sure they downloaded something that they probably should not have. Now let's go crash the system. So run. there's all the error messages popping up currently. I'm gonna crash the system and render it useless with the registry editor. You guys, you scammers, I can't believe you guys. One time I did this on a test machine, and it said that, and it ended up saying that regedit couldn't be found because I basically messed it up so bad. Oh, there's regedit. Hold on, I'm trying to X out the other stuff. So, H-key class is root. There's that May 26, 2009. If you guys know what that happens, you can leave a comment and I'll tell you if you're right. Because it's kind of interesting playing guessing games. Like May 26, 2009, what could have possibly happened that day? Okay. If you're a computer tech and you know all the dates that things happened, then you're gonna know immediately what that is. I'm sorry. See, the computer is just so unusable for them now. It's just really slow, and I'm never gonna connect it back online to the internet. So there's a "you stupid, I hate you." Now let's delete some registry keys because I'm not gonna click on those other "you are stupid." These things are annoying and like. Okay, you know what? I just had enough of that. Let's just go on with deleting them. Delete this registry key over and over. Delete. Oh, I can't delete that one. Okay, move on. I'm gonna crash Vista. If you delete .exe, I think that's what crashes it. So just delete, get out of here. Eventually there's gonna be one that does not delete. It's like that one. Delete. Bye.exe. I just deleted you. Now .exes will no longer open. I deleted .exe, guys. These are just all the file extensions. So basically they will no longer open if you delete these. Delete. This is me deleting the registries. Goodbye. Goodbye, Vista. Goodbye, Vista. You are going to crash. Can't delete JNT. It's not going to let me delete that. I know these are what crashed. .inc is the shortcut, so if I delete that, nothing's going to open anymore. Minesweeper is going to get deleted. Works. Ah, can't delete that one. Is this going to be fun or what, guys? Some of them you cannot delete. Like, I can't delete that one. So the ones you can't delete, you just have to skip those. So. I think I just deleted the key for regedit. Maybe not. One time I deleted something and literally it froze and it wouldn't respond, and then I tried to type it and run it, it says it couldn't find regedit. So I really messed something up really bad. Okay, let's delete more. Do .theme. Let's delete .theme. Oh, that's Katie, actually, my friend. Okay, I'll talk to you guys. The people are supposed to call me back in 30 seconds. 30 minutes. Or, meant 30 minutes.
Yes, I know that, okay. Just talk to the technician.
Hang up.
I don't see what happens.
Go hang up. It's a scam.
Hello?
Yeah, hi ma'am. The technician. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay, but I was supposed to have somebody call me back in 30 minutes, someone else from another technician.
What can you see on the screen right now? Can you tell me?
What do you mean?
What can you see on the screen right now?
I'm not in front of my computer.
You just come in front of the computer for a moment.
Why?
Well, ma'am, I believe your computer is connected to it, right?
No, not currently. I'm having some internet issues, and they told me to call my internet company.
Oh, can you call me?
Yeah, I did, but I want to talk to the technician when they call me back.
You spoke with the internet service provider, right?
Yeah, I was to call the technician's supposed to call me back.
Yeah, this is the technician calling you, ma'am, okay? Alright?
Well, I had this number, they'll call me when I was talking to the technician. This number was calling me when I was talking to that technician on the phone.
Yes, ma'am. So we are calling you regarding your computer, okay?
What about my computer?
I hope you remember you have made a payment for the computer servicing recently.
What's wrong with my computer?
Well, I hope you remember you made a payment for the computer servicing, right?
Yeah, I think. Hold on. Well, the thing is, I was supposed to pay them Friday. They told me because I was getting my money on Friday because I don't have a credit card, so I was going to buy a gift card with cash to be able to fix it.
Oh, and what was the amount? Can you tell me, ma'am? What was the amount you...
I forgot the exact amount.
Can you give me a rough idea how much was it?
I don't know who they were. All I know is I'm waiting for them to call me back. A certain person was supposed to call me back from you guys. So I'm waiting for him to call me back very soon.
Okay, and they were supposed to... They will ring you on Friday for the payment?
Yes. They're supposed to call me back, the people, to figure out with my computer. They're supposed to call me back very shortly.
Oh, your internet service
I have somebody else. I have somebody else working on my computer currently.
Okay, and I believe you know that you are supposed to pay us money, right?
Yeah, I'm going to pay it.
And that is on coming Friday, is it?
Yeah, but it was for the other person that called me, not you.
Okay.
They told me only to talk to that person and not to talk to anybody else that calls. It was somebody named Fred.
Fred?
Yes.
And what's the payment you are paying?
It was someone named Fred. I was supposed to talk to Fred.
Okay, and then, you're paying your gift card, right?
Yeah, on Friday. Yes, on Friday when I get paid, I'm going to get a gift card Friday and give you guys the money.
You don't have to get the gift card, man. You can pay by cash, okay?
Okay, well, I just want to let you know I'm waiting for that person to call me back, okay? I want to talk to that person.
What did he tell you, Fred?
He's supposed to call me back, like within a half hour. Can I just have him call back? Can you just have him call back? Okay, have a good day. Bye. Katie. I know, it's the scammers. They called me, the stupid other scammer guy, and then, like, I believe it wasn't even the same person, because I have a bunch of scammers calling me from different companies now, so I told them to have him, that other guy, call me back, that I talked to earlier. Because he was gonna call me back. Oh my gosh, this computer is so crashed. Task Manager.
I predict your computer crash.
No, dude! Gosh! Hold on, I'm in the Task Manager. Okay, what should I do in Task Manager? Hold on, I gotta end this process not responding. Wait a minute, that's a Task Manager on my computer, not the virtual machine.
I predict your task manager will fail.
Oh gosh. It is failing already.
Ah, my prediction is right, isn't it? Now you quickly for me.
Oh my gosh, I crashed this computer. I think it's crashed. Katie, I think it's crashed. It's toast. Oh my gosh, now it says, the installation started for the update I hate.
I predict the update will take 2 hours.
Because it does take 2 hours, no duh.
Remember,
I crashed Windows Vista!
I predict you'll have a prediction for me.
Sorry guys, I'm talking to my friend on the phone. Failure security options! It says failure security options.
Failure computer. With a picture in 10 seconds.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this Vista is toast.
I predict Windows Vista will not come up again.
Windows Vista is crashed. Once I reboot, it's done. Once I reboot Windows Vista, this computer is no longer going to function. I can't even click on Run. Run is broken.
I predict you'll have prediction for
Was
me.
about Reghead, it's not even found. Oh! I typed Regedit, I said no items match your search.
Your prediction will be down here.
Did I type Regedit correctly? Hold on. Regedit. That's correct for sure. Huh.
Okay.
No, dude, I crashed Vista.
Okay. You're gonna crash your computer next year.
Windows, no items match your search. Ooh! I searched Windows and it couldn't find a single thing on Windows. Ooh, yeah, it's crashed, guys. And my other message is, where's Windows Update? I want to see if Windows Update opens. I doubt it. Ooh! It's crashed.
Oh God!
What?
I clicked on the website.
What website?
Oh, I need something.
No, it's not bad. It just tells you about the code. It doesn't actually crash it. Katie, that's a safe website. It doesn't crash your phone. Calm down.
I predict your update. The prediction for me is 2 seconds.
Prediction.
Okay.
That you. Well, I just tell you. You'll do something fun tomorrow. See, guys? Oh my gosh! Everything off the start menu is gone.
I did the car, so of course it's not.
All programs.
Okay, I predict all the programs will shut down.
Command prompt. Ooh.
Wait, you and Daddy love prediction for me in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Prediction.
Come.
Dude, I want to go delete System 32 or something, but it won't let me go to my computer.
Dude, what's the condition?
Stuff. Let me go to stuff. I go to the libraries.
You go to the library.
No, I mean on the computer.
Oh, okay, yeah. But what's the condition?
A device attached to the system is not functioning. Vista is toast.
It says your condition and then you say it.
Is that you? In a week, also do something really fun. Guys, I think this Vista is crashed. Try IE9. Nothing opens anymore. And Regedit's gone, and Regedit crashed, and it never opened because it can't find Regedit.
Yeah, wait, hold on.
Do you even know what Regedit is, Katie?
Oh my god, it's not
Okay, I think I'm just gonna restart this Vista. No, let's do it this way.
Julie, I think I just have conviction.
So I have a program associated. Ooh, like, okay. Watch! Vista's gonna crash! Vista's gonna crash! Whoop, whoop! Vista's gonna crash! Vista's gonna crash! Whoop! Oh! Windows failed to start!
Julie, I predicted you were the best summer of your life.
Yay! Windows Vista's crashed, by the way.
Oh yeah, you prediction for me too.
Error 0xC000000001. Ooh, Vista is crashed.
Wait. I know your prediction for me is 10,
That's just what happens, guys, when you delete registries. Yes, I do have a prediction. You're amazing, and you're gonna make a new friend soon. Vista's gonna crash. No, it already did. Just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna say thanks for watching to my YouTube video, and then record a video when the scammer calls back, okay, guys? For YouTube. YouTube, thanks for watching, and I'll be back. Haha, Crash Vista!